Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. To get a long life from your carpet cleaner, you want to do some basic maintenance every time you use it. You want to make sure that the tank is cleaned and this front chute is cleaned. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the second Bissell Pro that we've owned. The first one we bought back in 2003, and it cleaned a lot of floors. We had 5 people in the family sharing it back and forth, and we had 2 houses that we moved into that we had to go through and clean all the carpets. So this one is about 2 years old, so I'm expecting a lot more life out of this one. Lydia just finished doing the carpets, so I'm going to go through and do the cleanup on this piece. The big thing that happens with these is this flapper gets covered up, in our case dog fur, because Sadie sheds like the dickens. This is a Bissell Pro Heat Pet, designed and built to handle furry pets. There we go, just got to lift up on it. It gets clogged up with fur. And since this flapper valve is what switches it from floor cleaning with the flapper open to tools with this flapper closed, that goes up and closes off this passage and makes it so that the hose gets all the suction. So you want to make sure that that works back and forth just fine. And before you put it back together again, you have to make sure and clean out all these channels. Because if there's dirt in there, it'll clog it up so that it won't seal. Does a fine job cleaning the floors. But I think the result of that is that it picks up all the dog fur. The floors are clean, but the machine is packed full of it. we'll put these 2 screws back in. And make sure that the cover sits down. And it's locked in. There. Now it should be ready to do more floors. So that's what I do every time we use this. The first one that we had, I didn't do all that work on it every time, and it got packed full of fur around the roller, around the brush, and it actually wore the bearings out. So it's important that you go through and do the cleaning. Now hopefully, if I do this work, I won't have to take the main housing apart, because really there's not much to go wrong inside there. And this new design allows me just to take this top cover off. I don't have to pull the housing to get into where the roller is. So it's a lot easier to take care of. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.